Now, breathing exercise. Let's come to, okay, what is Kapalbhati? Who will tell me?
Is it the front of brain cleansing?
Yes, Kapalbhati. So the word Kapal means your skull region, Kapal. This is Kapal. So if you'll see, it is close, it's very close to sneezing. It's like sneezing. When you sneeze, you feel fresh. How many of you have experienced that? You'll feel suddenly like you feel fresh when you sneeze. Like same you're doing voluntarily with Kapalbhati. Okay, it cleanses your skull region. If there is blockage in your skull, like not your skull, like in your sinus pores, if you have sinusitis, if you have migraine, it's really good for those people. Although people who suffer from severe migraine should do some other cleansings first, because it's like, okay, let me explain. If you have a straw that is choked up, if you put pressure from one side, like let's say if this is a straw and you put pressure like this, and if the blockage is loose, whatever it's blocked by, if it's loose, it will get out from the other side because you're putting pressure from this side. So that's what you're doing in Kapalbhati. But imagine if you're suffering from severe blockage, severe migraine, and you're continuously putting pressure, you might damage some nerves or something. So first, basic cleansings. There is smoke therapy that comes under Panchkarma Ayurveda. It's called Nasyam. Nasya is a smoke therapy. I cannot show you here. Not possible. I've got all the stuff, but I need a volunteer if people want me to show you how to do it. Then it helps you get all the excessive cough out, and then slowly after a while you can start practicing Kapalbhati. Okay. Round, when you end the first round, you are exhaling through the left nostril, and if you're doing more rounds, then you inhale through the left nostril, hold, exhale through right, inhale through right, hold, exhale through left. It goes on, but you always end at exhalation through left nostril. That's one round in starting from the left and ending at the left, one round. Okay, you can do as many rounds as you want. Keep your eyes closed when you do these things. Okay, second pranayama today is called Bhramari pranayama. Okay, Bhramari. Now the word Bhramari comes from the Sanskrit root Bhramar. Bhramar becomes Bhavara in Hindi. Bhavara is not a bumblebee, but it's like a bumblebee. I don't know if people seen it, but it's a big black bee, a really big one, and it's totally black. Now when that flies, when it's flying, what kind of sound do you hear when it flies? Right? That's where this pranayama is coming from. Okay, what you do is you make a mudra like this, like E.T. With your thumbs, tip of your thumbs, you close your ears. How? So this, you won't be able to do it, Helena, you have buds. So what you do is you don't put your thumbs in your ear, but you see this lid, you push it in totally like this. Close, ears closed. Then you put your fingers like this here. Index goes up, two middle fingers come here on your eyes, and your pinkies rest near your nostrils. What I'm saying. Okay. What you do is do the same thing. You close your ears totally. Now see how I'm sitting. My shoulders or my elbows are not pointing towards the ground like this, up, straight up. Then I inhale. My ears are closed. My eyes are closed. Gently. Don't press over your eyes or your eyebrows or near your nostrils. Gently. Okay. Inhale. And when you exhale, you don't exhale through your nostrils. Sorry, you exhale through your nostrils, but you don't just exhale. You exhale while making a sound like this. This is one round. Now, of course, you have to put retention. You have to introduce kumbhak. Only then it will become a pranayama. So after you inhale, you hold it in for a while, and then you exhale, making sound. That will be one round of Bhramari pranayama. If you are doing more than one round, you cannot release your hands unless you have done 20, 25 rounds and you are tired and you want to do more, then you can rest for a while, bring your hands down. But if you're doing 5 rounds, so you don't release your hands, you keep your ears closed, you keep on inhaling, holding, and making the sound and exhaling. Okay, that is Bhramari pranayama. Understood? It's really good for people suffering from anxiety, depression. Okay.